Hi everyone, today's topic is parts of speech part 2. There are 8 parts of speech. Continuing the part, fifth one, an adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of verb, an adjective or an adverb. Example 1. He worked the sum quickly. Second, the flower is very beautiful. Sixth one, a preposition is a word used with a noun or pronoun to show how the person or thing denoted by the noun or pronoun stands in relation to something else. Example, there is a horse in the garden. A very little girl sat under a tree. Seventh one, a conjunction is a word used to join words or sentence. Example, Vishnu and Krishna are friends. Second, I run fast but I missed the bus. Eighth one, an interjunction is a word which expresses some sudden feelings. Example, Hurrah, we won the game. These are the 8 parts of speech. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.